Let me be clear, you want a logo, but you don't have Photoshop, right? Then the only thing you have to do is enter the link in the description down below, which will take us to a page called Pixlr. The first thing we will do is select the option that says Create New. You can name it whatever you want, but we will set the resolution to 1000 width and 1000 height. Then click on Create. Once in the editor, we will go to this option and select the circle shape. Holding the Shift key, we will make the circle the size you want. Later in this option, we will change the color to a dark gray. Copy the color code, as we will need it later. In Styles, we will create a white outline with a thickness of approximately 20. With the circle created, we will add a text with this option here. In my case, I have used the initial of my nickname, but you can use whatever you like. The font that we will select can be our own, but in my case, I'm going to use a Pixlr one called Bahram. Now we will make the letter bigger in this way, and we will arrange it in the center so that it protrudes a little from the circle. Then we will go here. Remember the color code you saved a moment ago? Well, we will go to Outline and paste it here. It's time to give the magic touch. We will create 2 rectangles in this way, with the colors that I will leave you in the description. So that it looks like this. We will go to this option here called Gradient, and we will select the one we like the most. But if you are going to use the same colors as me, I recommend this one here. We will apply it this way, and later we will position the layer above the rectangles, and by right-clicking on it, we will lower the opacity to about 70. To give it a final touch with the brush tool, with the softness at maximum, and the size also at maximum, we will apply a kind of flash to the light blue part, with this color here and clicking a few times here. The time has come to export. For that, we will go to File, Export, and in Quick Export as PNG we will click, and we would have it. Subscribe for more.